Yeah. What's good YouTube man? It's your boy. This is Mac. This is an exotic in the manufacturing thing. Khatas kondirger. Yeah. Saimbujo. In the meantime, between damage or yet right color this in Dongoma. Yeah, guys, and I'm here with the
Hey yo! What's good guys? It's your boy Bafanele Notsiko. Umfana wazala inyanga umama kumthakathi umnganakhe yaloya. You are about to begin. Say.
Yeah, guys. So like today, guys, we're gonna be showing we're gonna be showing sorry guys, I hate the gate. So Rodman.
Ish. Yeah, continue why.
Guys, this video is not under age of 18.
It's not under the
Hey, manna.
Buff man will be asking me questions, you know, I'ma be answering. Yeah.
I'm going to ask this guy questions, you know what I'm saying? Let's test his mind out. Let's test his brain. If
Yeah.
it's working alright. Is your brain working?
Yeah, 10 out of 10.
It's about to go down.
It's working, you know?
Yeah.
100%.
Yeah.
Okay, so tell me, like this.
Hey, y'all, come look at this.
What is Madanga Commission?
Madanga Commission is initiation schools.
Right.
Where like at the mountains they like initiate young boys, you know.
What?
Yeah, bro.
What? It's what?
It's initiation schools at the mountain where like they initiate young boys, like they say they go there, when they come back they become a man, you know.
Nah, guys.
Yeah.
Nah, that's not the right answer.
It's the
That
right
is
answer,
crazy.
guys.
Nah. Oh, first, before we go, do you know Mkwanas?
Yeah. Yeah, I know
What
Mkonazi.
does Mkwanas do?
Mkonazi is the general of the mountains of
Oh.
initiation schools.
Cut the show. I'm done. Take me off.
Yeah.
Bro, mamas.
Now I'm speaking about the commission of Madanga. Where like, you know?
Bro, comment down below, guys.
Yeah.
If you know the answer, comment down below.
Yeah.
Help him out now. So okay, so second question. What does ANC stand for?
A B C D E F G. You know? You know? Yeah. Don't laugh, bro. I'm being serious, bro. Yeah. I'm being serious.
ANC stand for?
A B C D E F G. Yeah.
That's alphabet.
Yeah, like A, B, C, D, E, F, G, A, N, C. Like it's similar, bro. It's the same commission.
Wait.
Awukhonahali shem.
Maybe this one will know it. EFF stand for?
EFF stands for FIFA. Ta ta ta. FIFA. Ta ta.
Asina nako ya game la.
Wait, we are talking about FIFA because this year South Africa is playing FIFA.
Nah, like
That is not EFF, bro. It's FIFA. There's FIFA.
Like-
There's EFF.
EFF stands for FIFA, ta, 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 fi. Like, let me explain, bro. Like, the commission that I'm talking about, where like what EFF stands for, is like E is the letter number 4 of A, B, C. Nah, A, B, C.
No. It can't be mad.
Is the letter number 5 of A, B, C alphabet. Is the letter number 5.
F is number what?
F is
It's number 6. Bro.
F is number 6
Yeah.
of alphabet. You know? So like A, B, C, D, E, F, they are neighbors. E, F, then we add another F. FF, it's a party where like Julius Malema, you know?
South Africans.
So Julius Malema's party, political party.
Please guys, comment down below and help him out. This is insane.
I'm intelligent, bro.
So who's the president of USA?
It's about to go down.
The president of USA is Elon Musk.
Hey, man.
Yo.
It's Elon Musk.
Why is Elon Musk?
Because he's the richest person on the world. Because Donald Trump is young to him, you know, according to Stack, Nuke, Quench.
Also, in your opinion,
Yes, in my opinion.
is
And
Elon Musk the president of USA?
yes,
Bro.
yes. And I'm gonna be the president of this world and
Of the world.
of the whole world. And crying at funerals will be illegal.
Hey, man.
You know? Because we wasting immune system water. Wasting, you know, we'll be crying, we'll be sweaty, we're wasting water.
So what are you saying about these rumors? It's rumors, I don't know, but they say on the 30th. Can you please tell me what do you know about the 30th?
Of June.
Yes, sir. Yeah, this month.
As we are not going anywhere, oh, we are remaining in South Africa. We'll go after December, please.
Oh, you are one of them.
Yes, I'm one of them.
So how do you feel? Because they are going to come and take you.
I ain't going anywhere, bro. I'ma fight. I'ma fight for Africans. I'ma fight for all Africans. I'ma fight for y'all, bro. We are not going anywhere.
Let this police come.
Yeah, let them come. Police won't do anything. Military won't do anything. Everything won't do anything. Ramapot everywhere, and I ain't afraid of you, bro.
South Africans. Hey, man.
If these Zulus won't do anything.
Yeah, I ain't going anywhere, bro.
So how does South Africa treat you since you've been in South Africa?
South Africa is so nice, bro. South Africa is amazing, bro. So the best country in the world, continent, country is South Africa.
Okay, then. Can you please tell me your ID names?
I think we need to eat now.
Please say your ID names, bro.
Oh, like, my name is like. Did you eat today? You.
Yeah, I did.
Oh.
Don't worry about me. Say your ID names. This is an interview, bro.
Oh, hi guys. Like, guys, it's so cold out here, bro. It's so cold, bro. It's June, Pella, now. It's so cold.
Hello.
Hmm?
ID names.
Oh, ID. There's this store that is called ID, which means identity.
Hey, banna.
Oh.
You know, like
Oh.
I like the store. Like I used to wear it when I was young, guys.
Okay, last question. This is the last question.
Hey, y'all, come look at this.
What's your favorite meal in South Africa?
Oh my gosh. Noodles. Instant 2 minutes noodles.
That's your favorite.
That's my favorite, bro. Back at home, we don't have them. I'm not going anywhere.
I beg, guys, that was the end of the video. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
We had an interview, the crazy interview with McDeezy.
Yeah.
But you hear his problem. Your problem is them to subscribe.
Yeah. Subscribe if you want to see me more. If you want me, if they say
To be no man,
Yeah.
in his head, you better subscribe there.
Yeah, subscribe
See.
for more. For me, I love you, and for you, if you are a girl. But if you are a boy, that you are going home.